Cooking with Love, a delicious journey into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a delightful phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Cooking with love. This expression is not just about preparing food, but it carries a deeper meaning in English culture and language. So, let's dive into this tasty topic and uncover the richness of this idiom. Cooking with love is an idiom that means preparing food with great care and affection. It implies that the cook is not just following a recipe, but is also adding a personal touch, attention to detail, and a lot of heart into the process. This phrase is often used to describe meals that are especially delicious, comforting, or made with someone special in mind. In this section, we'll break down the phrase into its two main components: cooking and love. Cooking. This word refers to the act of preparing food. It involves skill, knowledge, and sometimes creativity. Love. Here, love is used metaphorically. It symbolizes care, affection, and passion. When combined with cooking, it suggests that the food is made with extra care and emotional investment. Let's see how cooking with love is used in everyday conversations and scenarios. You can tell this meal was cooked with love. Every bite is full of flavor. In a restaurant review, the chef's passion for food is evident. It's like each dish is cooked with love, describing a family meal. My grandmother's recipes are always the best. She's been cooking with love for years. In many cultures, food is a way to express love and care. Cooking with love often reflects a deeper cultural understanding that food is more than sustenance. It's a way to connect, share, and express emotions. This phrase embodies the idea that the emotional state and intentions of the cook can influence the quality and taste of the food. We hope this exploration of the phrase, cooking with love, has been as enjoyable for you as a well-cooked meal. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the emotions and culture behind them. Cooking with love is a beautiful example of how English captures the essence of human experiences. Until next time, keep learning and keep cooking with love.